Right, I'm in Prince Edward and I'm heading to a cafe for some sweet inspiration. Right, I'm here, I'm in Camois. It's been going for 43 years. And I'm here for one thing, a sweet treat called pineapple bun. They make it fresh every 10 minutes. And the place is packed full of people, you can hardly get in. It's bustling, it's crazy, it's loud, but it's definitely worth it. Right, all the food's here, and this is the pineapple bun. Look at that, nice and crispy on the top, with a slather of butter, and it's so warm, the butter's just melting. I'm in sweet heaven. You've got the flaky, sugary cookie crust that looks like the pattern of a pineapple. You've got that soft, pillowy bun, and that salted butter just works so perfectly with the sweetness of the bread. That is absolutely delicious. I love that pineapple bun. The crusty sweet top with that salted butter in the middle. It's inspired me to make my grilled pork brioche burger. So I've got here 2 pork loins. First thing I want to do is inject bags of flavour to this. I've got here Lee Kum Kee's Hoisin sauce. It's going to be rich, it's going to be salty, it's going to be sweet. Shaoxing rice wine, garlic, ginger. Give this a good mix. So you want to marinate for a good 20 minutes. Now before the pork loin steaks go onto the grill, a little bit of rapeseed oil. So, on they go. I'm going to grill them for about 1.5 minutes on each side and then flip them over. While the pork loin steaks are cooking, I'm going to get on with my slaw. So I've got here some tahini, 1 generous teaspoon of running honey, Lee Kum Kee Oriental sesame dressing. Give that a really good mix. Finely julienne carrots, red cabbage, white cabbage, red onion. Toss it all together and also add in some freshly sliced spring onions. For a bit of a zing, some fresh lime juice, fresh chives. My slaw is ready, it's time to check on the pork loin steaks. When you are able to lift them off, you know that they're cooked. I've got here sweet brioche buns, Lee Kum Kee's Hoisin sauce on each side. Place them for literally a few seconds just to warm up. Now it's time to assemble. Look at that. Gorgeous, nice, generous amount of slaw. Another layer. I've got some Lee Kum Kee's sriracha mayo. There you go. That is my double grilled pork hoisin brioche burger.